everybody, my name is Rodrigo and you're watching Travelzilla, and today I'm going to be your guide here in a very special place, the airport of the city of Caxias do Sul in the south of Brazil, which gives you access to Serra Gaúcha or Gramado, Canela, and all those Germanic towns that there are here in this part of the country. Are you ready for it? Before we go anywhere, don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe, and also to follow me on Instagram at Rodrigo Marato with 2 T's, link in the description. Okay, so are you ready? Welcome to Caxias do Sul, Brazil. Let's go.
Caxias do Sul is the second largest city in Brazil's southernmost state, Rio Grande do Sul. It has over 550,000 residents, mostly of Italian, Portuguese, German, and Austro-Hungarian origins, and is currently Brazil's 47th largest city and the main gateway to the Gaúcha Mountains, one of Brazil's premier tourist destinations. But why is it such a small airport? We'll get to that in a moment. This is a small yet very important airport because it isn't only the best way to get to the famous towns of Gramado, Canela, or Bento Gonçalves, but it handles cargo shipments, private jets, and people with serious health problems.
So our journey started in Gramado this morning. We took a bus from Gramado all the way to Caxias, which was about 2 hours at the cost of 24 reais per person. And then from there, we went to the bus station here. From the bus station to here, another 30 reais. I'm gonna put the prices in euros and US dollars for you guys. And now we're gonna give you a quick tour of the airport, and then we're gonna board the flight to VIRACOPOS, and then from VIRACOPOS, we're gonna take the bus to São Paulo City. Follow me, let's go.
I came to the Gaúcha Mountains to shoot one of the best videos ever made for this channel, the Christmas special Natal Luz, one of the world's largest Christmas celebrations, and it happens here in Brazil in this very region. Check out my video about it, link in description on the iCard or on the first comment below. Like I said before, I came here by bus from Gramado, and I came here just to show you how you can get to that part of the country, the Gaúcha Mountains, not only through Porto Alegre, the state capital, but also via Caxias do Sul as well. So the country's 3 main airlines fly here, and they are Azul, Gol, and Latam. So this is arrivals. If you happen to come here to pick up one of your friends, this is where you'll be waiting for them. The airport has very standard baggage carousels, nothing special as you can tell. Today I'll fly from here to VIRACOPOS Airport, one of Brazil's largest airports, via Azul, on an EMBRAER plane, which is a Brazilian-made plane. Flight report will be here on Travelzilla, please check it out.
So when you arrive here at the Caxias do Sul airport, if you want to rent a car to, explore the Gaúcha Mountains, this is what you're going to do. You're going to have to cross the street, and then several car rental companies will be located just across the street from the airport.
This airport is tiny, one of the smallest I've seen in the country. But here you have access to basic services such as a plastic wrapping station, a travel agency in which you can buy tickets to various local attractions such as the Aquamotion water park in Gramado. I was there and I had lots of fun, you guys. You're gonna find a souvenir shop, a local chocolate shop, so on and so forth. Now it's time to get my pieces of luggage checked. Let's get it done.
So I've just checked my pieces of luggage. Now I'm gonna go upstairs to show you a little bit of the airport, and then we're gonna board the aircraft.
There's a terrace here, you know. Let's have a look, shall we? Just follow the signs. It's located upstairs. Let's go.
Now we're going up to the mezzanine level to have a better view of the airport. Let's go.
So why is this airport such a small airport in such an important area of Brazil, economically speaking? Well, the airport is a joint venture between the city and state governments. As we all know, politics in Brazil isn't known for low levels of corruption and high levels of efficiency and planning, right? The local state government was basically broke, and the federal government had nothing to do with this particular airport and had under its management many airports through a state company called EMBRAER, which have been receiving major makeovers by the government in a massive effort to privatize most, if not all, airports owned by EMBRAER. Now I'm back here in the main lobby, and I really want to grab a cup of coffee. Let's go, shall we? You can have an espresso and a pão de queijo, which is a Brazilian cheese bread, in this convenience store. From here, you'll also have quite a good view of the airplanes parked outside. Like I said before, this airport is a joint venture between the city and state governments. This airport could have been privatized, but the federal government will build and privatize a new airport instead, located 40 kilometers or 25 miles away from here.
Coffee and milk and a cheese bread for 15 reais per person, 30 for 2. Prices in euros and US dollars right now. 15.
It's time to board. Let's go in, shall we? At least when I was here, From the moment you went through security onwards, the use of a mask was mandatory. Go figure.
Don't forget to have your ID. I'm Brazilian in Portuguese, so I have also a Brazilian ID. And your boarding pass with you.
The boarding area is quite small and was packed with people. This airport first opened in 1941 in another neighborhood, and then it got relocated here in 1954. But the airport only got the infrastructure to become a regional airport in 1987. In 1993, the airport started being able to get flights by larger planes from Boeing and Airbus, for example.
So I'm traveling with VIPs today, so I'm going on the diamond section, which is a VIP, right?
That's it.
That's what?
That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
In 2011, Azul started flying here, and in 2022, LATAM joined Azul Engol, linking Caxias to other major cities here in Brazil. The parking lot has 120 parking spots, but the best way to get here is by taxi or just have a friend or family member give you a ride here. The Caxias Regional Airport is also known as HUGO CANTERGIANI, and its IATA code is CXJ. It's located 4 kilometers from the Caxias city center. This airport currently has a 600,000 passengers a year capacity, but last year only 212,000 people have flown in and out of here. There's a huge space for growth in this part of Brazil, which has a diverse economy with strong agriculture, manufacturing, and tourism.
So now we've gone through security, boarding, and now we're boarding Azul.
Not to mention that this region is the country's largest producer of wine and one of the country's largest producers of machinery. So the patio can handle up to 3 Boeing 737-700 or 800 parked at the same time, 2 with their respective function gates each and 1 remotely parked, or 3 correspondent EMBRAER planes of the E195 or 195 E2 families. There are 3 remote parking positions for small planes and 2 for helicopters too. Now we're gonna go to VIRACOPOS Airport in Campinas, one of Brazil's largest airports, by Azul Airlines aboard an EMBRAER plane, which, like I said before, is made here in Brazil. EMBRAER is the world's 3rd largest plane manufacturer. This flight review will be available here on Travelzilla. Please check it out. The airport handles a little bit of cargo too, which is unthinkable, given the fact that this part of the country is highly industrialized and agriculture here is huge as well. Only about 400 tons a year. Can you believe that? That's so little. So the runway is 1.93 kilometers or 1.19 miles long with the 15 by 33 dimensions. This region is set to build a major airport in the next couple of years, an investment of over 40 million euros or 43 million US dollars. This new airport will then be privatized, and of course, whoever gets it will have to expand it and invest a lot of money to turn it into a big airport. So guys, thank you so much for staying with me all the way to the end of this video. Don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share, and subscribe, and also to follow me on Instagram at Rodrigo Morato, 2T's, link in description. Hey guys, please watch my other vlogs, you can find stadium tours, super vlogs, airport reviews, flight reviews, hotel reviews, city guides, so on and so forth here on Travelzilla. Thank you so much for staying with me once again. See you in my other videos. Bye bye guys, thanks a lot, and welcome to Caxias.